Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a full cobra pose. So a cobra pose starts by laying down on your stomach and then taking your feet and touching them to your head. So before I start the video, remember to subscribe and smash the like button right now. And now let's get started. But before we do anything, we should start by some stretches. So the first stretch I'm going to stretch out my back by holding. First we're going to go down, hold on to my knee, and then I go back. You hear the cramps, right? So this will help you to get less cramps. Just like that. We do this 20 times because it's very good for the back to get a bit of hip stretches. Just like that. And if you're a beginner, you start just a bit. But if you're not advanced, you can by putting your hand. Now, after that, you need to go to somewhere like a protection or anything, and then you have to sit like a chair, and then touch your head. Hold this for 10 seconds. After that guys, you'll have to get the hip very flexible so it can get way more cool, better. And if you need to get the hip flexible, you go down and you then touch your head. Just like that. Then, if you don't have anything like a supporter, you can just hold the wall. Just like that, and then you go back. Just like that. But if you want to get even closer, you can hold on to your knees, just like that. For advanced. But if you're a beginner, hold on to your back and just go a bit like that. Now, after that, you must take some deep breaths so that can help you, because after that, if there's a very bad workout you have done, very hard, like treadmills or anything, you must take a deep breath. After taking deep breaths, you start by going into this pose. You go into this pose and try to stretch out your backs by turning yourself. Just like that. This is a very good stretch to get the hip very flexible. So then you're just going to turn this side. Try to get it even more you twist your back, it can get a bit more hipper. So that helps you to get the hip very strong and anything. So if you have cramps, if they remove the cramps, if we are doing anything very flexible, turning our body to twisting them, cramps come out. Now, if the cramps stay, it will hurt. But if you do it very faster, if the cramp creach and just like that. So guys, if you're a beginner, that means you have cramps. But if you're advanced, that means you just have a bit of cramps, because for beginners, a lot of cramps come out when they're trying something new. But for advanced, if they don't anything, just a big cramps come out. But if you're very, very, very advanced, there's no cramps. Anyways, so after doing all those stretches, you must stretch out your back by holding down and then try to get it even closer. Just like that, you stretch out your back just like this. Do this only 5 times. A lot of people fall if they're doing this. Now, after all that, you must take some more deep breaths so that can help you to be more relaxed. But if you are in a hurry, it will be very hard for you to get to the perfect stage. You must know how to do it perfectly. And now, after that, you take somewhere to get your feet up with a bit of support. Let's go there. Let's go here. Now, I'm going to lay down on my stomach. Just like that. I'm going to put my foot here and stretch out my back, and just like that. I'm going to put the weight here. It's called the Cobra pose. Now, so that was how all the stretches were. And now I'm going to show you the ways to get into the Cobra pose. First of all, you lay down on your stomach, just like that. You put your hands in a bend way. You take yourself and then you hold them. Then there's your Cobra pose. If you want to do it even deeper, you can get this more deeper just by doing that. But if you're a beginner, start by just putting it a bit on your behind, so that can be way more better. And now, guys, after that, you have done all the stretches and all the perfect ways how to do the Cobra pose. You must know how to do it like an advanced, because if you're a beginner, you know a Cobra pose is actually for beginners. So if you're a beginner, please go do a Cobra pose first. If you know how to do a Cobra pose, that means you know how to do a split. No, sorry, a back bend. Now, after touching that, you must relax, and then let's do that again. And now for the final pose, let's do it. So, for beginners, a bit of advanced, and the most advanced. So guys, that's the end of our video. Remember, subscribe, smash the like button right now, notification bell. See you next week, guys. Bye bye.